victims are sort of like dropping a stone in the still pond. Every ripple is a victim. And every victim touches another victim, and another one, and another one. We can't close it, because there is no closure for anybody. We can't really resolve it. We have to only find a way to move forward.
For crime victims and survivors, for murder victim family members, like, our power was taken away that day. We lost our agency to decide. We lost our control over what somebody can and cannot do to our bodies. Our voices were stripped. Our voices were stripped throughout the court process. And when a unit makes a decision, what they think I need and what's best for me, they're once again removing my agency and my power and my control and my voice. And so for me, and what we've learned at Healing Justice, because honestly, folks, the the experts are the people who've lived it. I think what happens so much in the process is we're removed and we're erased out of our own stories. And that's just not okay.
I can't express how helpful it was to have your agency and the information that you have out there, because I think without it, we would be very lost. And we did a couple, I think I might be going too far, but we did a couple more that, we realized we did wrong and we had another case. And so we reached out to you guys again and then had a conference call. And so it's just been invaluable. I think ultimately, if you want to make change, you got to listen to survivors, right? You got to have more programs like Healing Justice and more. I mean, they're out there, right? There's agencies and there's survivor groups and all different types of platforms. And I would urge people just to listen to them, because they're the ones that have gone through it and what worked and what didn't. Because I could see it very differently than someone like Jennifer. What I think is great and would work could be different. But that's the thing with anyone you work with. Everyone is going to have a different opinion, and it's going to be overall what worked for them didn't work for the other person. But I think that's the importance of trauma-informed and victim-centered when you're doing the work in general.